Thank you all for being here today. So Mr. Gopal, Ashank and myself, on behalf of Altech, had the honor to visit the Sharp factory in Japan, as we were able to accomplish a few things. The first things is we were able to introduce our group, Altech itself, and our company structure. We presented our accomplishments, challenges, and also our growth and our vision, future vision. So third, we toured the factory and we were also introduced to the new products and solutions from Sharp. Finally, we met the new management team who have a very similar growth mind and vision as our company. And they're actually some really great people. One of the key takeaways of this entire trip was that because of his 23 years of association, dedication, and loyalty to Sharp, so Gopal was actually ordered this and was really appreciated for making Altech one of the world's largest distributor of A3 copiers in the world. So all of this could not have been achieved without the hard work, effort, time, and support from each and every one of the Altech team. I would just like the Altech members that are here today to please come up over here because we'd like to appreciate each and every one of you for the continued efforts. Whether you guys are in sales, marketing, technical, support, finance, logistics, whatever department you all have played a very important role in helping us achieve this, helping Mr. Gopal achieve this certificate. So I'd like to really appreciate each and every one of you and really thank each and every one of you because this could not have happened without all of you. There's one more thing, because just by saying we are the largest distributor is not enough. So the Sharp factory has given a special gift to the entire Altech team. And I'd like to share that with you. This is one of a kind unique gift. This is a 3D printed model of Nova LR, and we had purchased 22,665 units of this one model. We're very fortunate. Lastly, we would like to extend a thanks to all of our partners and our customers for helping us actually achieve this, because without your support, this also wouldn't be possible. Also, we would like to thank Sharp and SMEF for their support and trust in us.